Question 7 is about blood pressure. So we have an experiment where we put some people in a treatment group, specifically 300, and then we put 200 in a control group, and we measured the blood pressure of each at the end of the experiment. So our null hypothesis is that there is no effect on blood pressure, and the alternative is that there is an effect on blood pressure. So we have this table called data, and all it has is each of the 500 people's blood pressure. It doesn't say which group they're in. It just has their blood pressure at the end of the study. So the question is asking, is it possible for us to find one value of the test statistic under the null hypothesis with just this information, or is it not possible? So our answers are it is possible, and it'll ask us to fill in some code, and the other option is that it is not possible. So your gut feeling is probably it is not possible because we don't know what group everyone's in. And if the question were asking to make a determination of whether the null is correct or not, you would be right. However, all the question is asking is, can we find one value of the test statistic under the null? And that the answer is yes, because under the null, it doesn't matter whether you're in the control or experimental group, because under the null, the blood pressure value should be the same. And that means that if we just take 300 random people out of this table and put them into the treatment group and the other 200 into the control group, then that will give us a correct value of the test statistic. Okay, so our answer is it is possible, and now let's fill in this code. Okay, so group A shuffled table equals shuffled dot, and we want the first 300 people out of this. So the function to get a bunch of rows is called take, and we are going to take the first 300 people, and we can do that by np.arrange of 300, because np.arrange of 300 goes from index 0 to 299, and so it takes rows 0 through 299 out of the table. Similarly, we can also do take on group B, and now we would take everyone from index 300 to 500.